Experiment 3 stood out among all of them for its brain activity. There were attempts to escape from the storage floor. It also seems that due to the overabundance of bivanium, it has the ability to make everyone sleep. Those who were put to sleep reported that they remembered every part of their dream. It was as if it were real. The experiment is not ready for display. Experiment 4 surprised us with its abilities. Thanks to the effects of bivanium, Experiment 4 gained abilities. However, due to these overwhelming abilities, it was necessary to transfer almost all of its abilities to the Scepter and hide it until the hour of fun. The experiment will be hidden and classified.
It's been a long time since I've seen people here. Why are you here? Wait, I know. Are you here for the mascot? That's strange. I don't remember anyone coming here just to find the mascot. Listen, I'll give you some advice. Leave before it's too late. You have no idea what's happening in the other sectors. I'll put you to sleep and take you closer to the door that leads to the exit. Forget about this place and your goal. Well, I hope you got the message. It's time for sleep. Oh, you're finally awake. You know, sitting here and chatting with Nimhim, who can't even answer you, isn't very interesting. Dogban should be here soon with some food. Dogban, who's with you?
My name is Sasor, and I am from another game.
Experiment 5. Well, I can say that it was the easiest experiment of all. It has no abilities. It will be used due to Nimhim's excessive aggression. The experiment will never be shown and will be used within this repository.
Don't get caught by the queen, okay?
Well, Are you one of the ones who locked me here? You know, your kind even put my picture on the wall, as if I'm not an abandoned character. You know, I only have one chance to deal with you, and I won't miss it. Good luck if you survive. I hope you die after my friend's attack.
Oh, hello, William. You're here just in time. Come on. The boss will show you around.
Are you sure this structure can withstand an hour of fun?
Oh, hello, William. I'm glad you're here. As you mentioned, the first sector will be a game area, and then there will be a couple of storage rooms. You can also see how Jacob is handling his new body. Just press the button in the storage room.
Wait a minute. Where's the scepter? Are we too late?
So, Dogban, give us the scepter that rightfully belongs to me.
Queen, we don't have it. And even if we did, we wouldn't give it to you.
So that's it. You're going to join my army.
Human, run. I'll hold them back.